Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. This easy to prepare breakfast strata is made up the night before, so all you have to do in the morning is pop it in the oven and enjoy. A true crowd pleaser, this breakfast casserole is perfect for holiday breakfast or brunch or you when you have a guest over. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So a night before, in a large skillet, brown and crumble up your sausage until they are cooked, then drain and set them aside. I'm using Morningstar Farms breakfast sausage links, and I cook according to the package instruction until they are brown on all the sides. Then I chop them into little chunks. Then take your Italian bread or French bread, cut them into half-inch pieces, and then transfer those pieces into a greased 9 by 13 glass dish. Arrange them in single layer and then keep this dish on the side. Then take a large mixing bowl, beat some egg, add milk, then season it with some salt, dried mustard powder, black pepper powder, paprika powder, and finely chopped parsley, and then mix until combined. Now bring back your baking dish which already have a cube bread pieces and top it off with some crumbled sausage pieces or any other meat if you're using. Then sprinkle 3/4 of the cheese which you are using, and then pour that egg mixture which we just made on top of all this bread and cheese mixture. Then using wooden spoon or a whisk and press very gently any unsoaked bread down into the custard and sprinkle with remaining shredded cheese. Now cover your baking dish and then refrigerate this overnight. Now, very next day when you're ready to bake, just remove from the fridge, uncover and let it sit at room temperature while your oven preheats at 350 degrees. Then bake uncovered for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. I consider this recipe to be more of a method and not necessarily a hard and fast recipe. You can add or subtract any other ingredients to customize it to your taste. I love using sausage here as we are a huge breakfast meat fans around here, but feel free to use any other meat or two. I like to serve ours with a dollop of sour cream and sprinkling of fresh parsley. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know and I'll try my best to make it happen. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.